signed by WCW. I tell you, it should be a great one. The mentor against the student. Ice Train is signed to face Ron Simmons. These two men, close friends, working out together. And I guess it's going to be a test for Ice Train to see how much he's learned.
Well, I'm not sure I exactly follow why this match is taking place. I guess apparently Ron Simmons wants to find out how much his protege has learned, and there's only one way to do that, right in the center of the ring, as opponents coming up in the Clash of Champions.
Johnny Stevens, the opponent for Ice Train in this matchup. There's the bell. It's going to be two powerful men in Baton Rouge at Clash of the Champions on January 27th. It'll be live. If you can't make it to the Central Flex in Baton Rouge, you can see it live here on TBS. Wow, what an event that's going to be. And that big tag team event with Ric Flair and Sting together against Rude and Vader. And Flying Brian against Colonel Parker. The loser must wear a chicken suit 2 days later here on Saturday night on the 29th of January.
Wait, let me get this right. So whoever loses the match at the Clash coming up on our Saturday night show has to, do they get dressed on the show, or do they just have to appear in the chicken suit?
Oh, big clothesline. I guess they get dressed on the show. I don't think that would be the best way to go. Look at that. What
you imagine how embarrassing Flying Brian will be if it's him climbing into that suit?
Absolutely, both. Either man would be embarrassed. And the Ice Train just overwhelming Johnny Stevens during this matchup, Jeff.
Thought they should take the positive attitude towards it, Tony. There's a guy out in San Diego that's made a ton of money wearing a suit like that.
That's right. Big power slam. 1, 2. This one is over, and Ice Train is ready. The student is ready with a T-shirt. Ice Train will collide with Ron Simmons at the Clash of the Champions.
Big victory for the big man, the Ice Train. As he takes that massive body out of the ring. Throws his opponent in, catches him with the big clothesline, almost beheads him right there. Second shot into the ropes. Big, beautiful power body slam. Hooks the leg, no getting out of that one. 1, 2, 3. Ice Train wins it. Ron Simmons is next on his list.
Sting and Flying Brian still to go in this matchup, in this event, against Stunning Steve and Ravishing Rick Rude. We'll have more Saturday night action right after this match.
Right here in this fishbowl, we got the greatest talent in the world. And if they got the guts to come out here and face Diamond Dallas Page, I'll take them in the ring and drop them like a bad habit.
Sunday on TBS.